Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I offer for our reflection two brief sentences from Paul Claudel. Jesus did not come to explain away suffering or to remove it. He came to fill it with his presence. All of us have drunk from the cup of suffering at one time or another in our lives. No one has been exempt. And how often do we try to explain away our suffering? Or how often do others try to help us explain away our suffering by saying that there's some kind of test of our faith from God, or that this is part of some plan that we don't understand, or that everything happens for a reason? Jesus gave none of those explanations for suffering. And how often do we, when we suffer, do we say, take it away? Please, I don't want this anymore. I don't want this suffering. Jesus didn't come to remove our suffering either. Jesus came to fill our suffering with his presence. And what that means is that Jesus is the compassionate one. Jesus is the one who does not take away our suffering, but who is with us as we suffer, who walks with us through our suffering. And so we, as people of faith, can believe that when we suffer, we do not suffer alone, that Jesus, who is the embodiment of compassion, is right there with us. Thank you so much for watching and listening today.